Alrighty, taking Spirit for a walk on the last leg, the return leg. Hello. And I just caught this sky over the reservoir, which is kind of amazing. So I felt it was only proper to share this. This is in Weston, Massachusetts. So that's the sky. Hopefully I will make it back to my car before those clouds open up. Oh, that's the trees. I just came from that path. And, whoops. And here's Spirit. Spirit, what you doing? What you doing? Eating some junk? Alrighty, watch out. Alright, so I'm heading past that building and around to the other path. Wow, look at those clouds. Who wants to take bets on if I will make it back to my car? Probably, maybe a mile, maybe 3/4. Alrighty.